Want to learn how to service the automatic transmission in your GMC Envoy? Chances are your Envoy is equipped with the GM4L60E automatic transmission. We recently produced a video on how to service the 4L60E. Some aspects of the job are pretty straightforward, while other aspects are not. In the video, I touch on some common pitfalls and how to navigate around them. Check out the video for free by visiting the Southpaw Autoworks YouTube channel. Links to both the channel and this video can be found in the video description down below. My name's Robert, and I will see you over at Southpaw Autoworks.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I hear him say